Welcome to the part 3 of our blog website. That's our Flask application using VS Code editor. The last time I showed you how to add routes to your web page by returning string from our Flask application. So here we'll not be needing this anymore because we want to make our code more organized. So remove this and we'll have to create two additional Python file. We'll call that views.py and also alt.py. I will explain as we go forward. Okay, we'll do that in our website folder. So here we'll create views.py and also after that we'll create our alt.py. Alt means authentication. So alt.py. Now in our alt.py, this is where users get authenticated. So we have like our login, our logout, and then we have our sign up, sign in, and also in our views.py. This is where authenticated users get to post and also view their posts, comments, shares, likes, and all that. And then after all that, we will have to connect these files to our init.py. So let's move back to our views.py. Let's start importing. So we have from flags import blueprints. That's the blueprint of our files or import blueprints. So then we'll create a variables called views. You can call it anything you like, but mind you, if you are doing anything, you have to make sure you follow the right track. So we have views equal to blueprint, then views are app name, then we have to create a route at dot. So at views.route define home, then we return a string. Note that last time it was at app.root, but since we are in view, we'll say at views.root. So we're returning hello world. Anytime we'll go to this particular link, we return hello world. So in our alt.py, we just copy and paste. Then we change the views to auth. And here you see views, you just change to auth. And so to make the work easy and faster for us. So here on the root, also we'll change it to auth.root. Because if you leave it for at views.root, it will not work. There will be an error in your code. So we have to change that as well. Then we define login. So we create our prefix URL to /login. Then we return anything we want to return. So to make it unique, so let's return something else rather than hello world. So we have this is the login page. Mind you, note that I'm using Codium, so I have the text already been dropped down for me before typing them. So it's good. AI too. So let's go. So yeah, copy and paste. So we'll change this prefix URL to logout. And also the definition. Please mind you, we had the issue last time. So your definition of login, so you have to change those names as well. So change that to sign up, and then the other one change those ones to as well to log out and log out, so to avoid any interference. So change the text as well. So say this is a sign up page, and also the last one change it to log out, the prefix URL to log out, and also the function to log out. So when we are done with this, so also the string that we'll be returning, so we'll have to go connect these files to our init.py. So we head straight to our init.py. So here we are connecting these files. So in this case, if we don't connect them, we will not be able to see those stuff that we have created, those routes. So here we have from .views import views, and also we have from .auth import auth. The reason why we are doing .views rather than saying views is because they are related folder. in our website folder. Yes. So if they are not in the same folder, then we don't need the dot. So let's move on. So after highlighting them, we have to register them. So as we have imported them here in our file, so we just have to register them. So there we'll move on to say app dot register underscore blueprint views, then our prefix URL, the same thing for auth, then our URL prefix. In the URL prefix, we can make it anything we want. If you change it, it means you're starting your website. If you don't put the prefix before including the root that you created, it will not work. So it's preferable to leave it just slash to avoid any error. So after that, we'll move on to our app.py to run our file. So making sure to save your file before running, else you might not see the output. So everything's working fine, so let's just click and see what it will return in our web page. Okay, so now you can see welcome is hello world. Okay, now this is our default page, our default route, and if you type in login or sign up, so you can see here we have this is login page. So we can type another stuff to see what comes up. Note that anyone you typed and it returned error, you have to go back to your file to see what's wrong. But I believe everything is working fine. Here you can see this is another route logout page, and also do that for sign up and see if that's working as well. Okay, sign up. Okay, sign up. So it's working. This is sign up page. So here I've just shown you how you can return the string. Now we can go back to the terminal. You can see all the get requests for each route, and it returns 200, telling you that everything is okay. Thank you very much. In the next phase, chapter 4, we'll be talking about linking of HTML file instead of returning string. So thank you very much.